it's Camera. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a review of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sundipped Glow Kits. I know this came out a while ago. I'm probably late as hell, but I have it now, so I'm going to review it. Since I'm just reviewing the highlighters, I already have my base done. I have on my foundation and concealer, as you can see. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. This is bronzed right here. This is summer. This is tourmaline, and this is moonstone. On the back it says these are metallic powder highlighters for intense luminosity. We shall see. I'll show you what they look like. Bronzed, summer, tourmaline, and moonstone. Okay, nice. So bronzed is definitely gonna be too dark for me. Tourmaline, this one, I could try that. Summer's right here. I think I like summer. Okay, let's see. So the places I'm gonna highlight today are gonna be my cheeks, nose, brow bone. I'm gonna try it as an eyeshadow and see what happens. A lot of people highlight their cubits bow. I usually don't. Okay, I'm gonna take, I don't know, summer. I wish it came with a mirror so I could just, I gotta pick up my own mirror. Okay. Okay. Again, this is summer. I know I'm using a tiny brush, but it's more precise. I like to use a little brush to highlight. Put some more. Ooh. What do you guys think? I like it. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I'll be right back. When I put highlight on, I like to press it in with their beauty sponge. In person, I feel like this color is too light. So I'm gonna put some moonstone on, which again is this color, moonstone. And we'll see how that looks. And to put this on, I'm just gonna use my finger just to see what the difference will be. I'll probably, the next time I wear it, mix moonstone and summer. Let me show it. Next time I wear it, I'll probably mix moonstone and summer or moonstone and tourmaline. So I'm just gonna use moonstone for my nose. Just a little. There we go. What do you guys think? There are definitely glitters in it, but it's not to the point where I wouldn't wear it outside. They feel really smooth when you rub it with your fingers. I think I prefer to apply it with my fingers. Okay, let's try this on the eyes. I'm gonna use summer, and I'm using this small shadow brush from Sephora. It's from Sephora collection. And I'm not gonna wet it because let's see how it goes without wetting it first, and then if it needs it, I will wet it. Just gonna pop it in the middle. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Okay, so here it is on my eyes. I like it. Judge me kindly on my eyeshadow, girl. I'm not actually leaving the house, so I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. I'm gonna use summer and this little brush. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. I'm surprised. Ugh, girl. It's so annoying that I have to switch hands when I do my makeup. Like, using my right hand right now, putting this on my left eye, it feels so uncomfortable. But it's annoying to be like this. Then you gotta, okay, then you gotta be like that. Okay, I really like that. I really like it here. And I really like it here. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna put on mascara and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back. I don't know how I feel about this brown lip. I've never done this before. I just wanted to try something different. Let me know what you think. My final thoughts on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Oh, Sundipped Glow Kit. I really like it. I think it's smooth to the touch. I think I like applying it with my fingers better. Yeah, I do, definitely. I like applying it with my fingers better than a brush. And I like using the beauty sponge to push it in when you're done putting it on, just to blend it in more. And I suggest you spray your face with a finishing spray, setting spray, whatever, because that just helps your makeup blend all together, you know, as a whole. But anyways, I do think this is not a fail. I think it's a fave, definitely. Woo! I think it's a fave. I really enjoy it. I would definitely do it again and just mix some of the colors. Again, bronze is too dark for me, so I probably wouldn't use that ever. I don't know. But the other three colors, I can probably mix them. Just mix two, just wear one at a time, and just have a different look every time. I like that. I like that they have 4 different colors, and the pans are pretty big. Yeah, the pans are pretty big. I like that they have 4 different colors so everybody can use them. And if you're a makeup artist, this is good. You have 4 colors to use on your clients. And, oh, I will say I only have one con. And that is there is no mirror up here. I just think it's more convenient if there's a mirror. But other than that, I loved everything else about it. And yeah, let me know what you all think. Have you tried it before? It has been out for a while, so you probably have tried it. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I upload new videos every single Sunday. I will see you next week.